Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be talking about if you can open a Filmora project file in Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. Now, both softwares, both Filmora and Premiere Pro are video editing software, and all video editing software do have usually either their native format for projects which are created in them, which can then be loaded up by the same software so that you can restart where you left off. In editing, if you're taking a break or something, you can open them up using the app that you used. However, there are some pieces of software that do have that do share formats for projects pretty much. Now, sadly, Filmora and Premiere Pro aren't among those. There is a list of formats that are supported by Premiere Pro. However, Filmora's native project format, or WPF, which is, I'm pretty sure, Wondershare project file, might be mistaken on that. That is sadly not supported by Premiere Pro. So pretty much the only way that you can export a project from Filmora and go into Premiere Pro is just to manually do everything again, record, or in general just keep tabs on all the changes that you've made on your project in Filmora, and then you can try and emulate those same changes on Premiere Pro as well. But pretty much that is the only way that you have. There are no converters for the two project formats. There is no way to load up a WPF in Premiere Pro at the moment. So that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.